The Creator has given honeybees a very particular set of skills. One of those skills is the instinct to swarm. Swarming is how bees in the wild reproduce, so it is incredibly important to their survival. This cluster of bees split from the original hive, and they have between 24 to 48 hours to find a new home. In the city, it's extremely difficult for bees to find a suitable space to move into. And I can just chill for a little while, wait for the sun to go down, and I'll take them home.